Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Partnerize affiliate commissions export, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Partnerize dashboard. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the reporting section on the left sidebar. Select commission reports from the drop-down. Choose the date range for the commissions you wish to export. Click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to compile. This may take a few moments. Once the report is ready, locate the Download button. Click the Download button to save the report file to your device. Select a secure folder on your computer to store the file. Now, consider making a backup of this file. You can upload the file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Alternatively, you can copy the file to an external hard drive or USB flash drive. Label the backup file clearly to differentiate it from other files. Make sure to set reminders to back up your reports regularly. This will ensure you always have access to your commission data. Return to the Partnerize dashboard regularly to repeat this process. Keep your files organized for easy retrieval in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.